Imagine this scenario. You're getting ready to go on your first date with your crush. Everything is going well, and you're eager to make a good first impression. You head out the door and start driving, but then you check your breath. Oh no. Now you start to panic because you can still smell the garlic and onions from your lunch. Ew. You don't want to head back because you're already running late. What do? If something like this has happened to you, we're going to give you some tips to help get rid of bad breath at the last minute. So let's get started. Our first tip is to keep gum in your car. Chewing gum is a great way to fix your last minute breath problems. And it doesn't just freshen your breath, it's also good for your oral health. That's right, studies show that if you chew gum for 20 minutes after eating, it can help prevent tooth decay. So why should I keep it in my car? Well, if you keep it in your car, you don't have to worry about forgetting it at the last minute, and you can freshen your breath as you drive. Our second tip is sugar-free candy. Have you ever woken up from a long nap and noticed that your mouth feels dry? It probably doesn't smell that good either. This can especially happen if you keep your mouth open when you sleep. Sometimes you can get bad breath simply because your mouth doesn't have enough saliva. That's because saliva naturally washes away plaque and leftover food in your mouth, which can really start to smell if they build up. So popping a sugar-free candy in your mouth can be a great way to increase your saliva and make your breath smell better. But make sure it's sugar-free, because if it isn't, you'll actually be feeding the bacteria in your mouth, which can make your breath smell worse. Our last tip is to keep an on-the-go toothbrush. Hold on, I already brush twice a day. Why would I need to carry another toothbrush with me? Well, that's great that you're brushing every day, but sometimes you need to do a little extra, especially when you want to quickly freshen your breath. So try carrying a small toothbrush and a small tube of toothpaste with you, because a lot of times you won't be at home when your breath problems kick in. Just excuse yourself for a couple minutes to use the restroom and start brushing. Oh, and don't forget to clean your tongue, because this is where most breath problems start from. This is probably the most effective way to get rid of your breath problem, because you're actually cleaning away the plaque and leftover food particles in your mouth. Now keep in mind, these methods work great if you want to freshen your breath in a short period of time. But if you feel like you have breath problems more frequently than normal, you should visit your dentist about your concerns. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our new dental secrets every week.